Good morning. Today is the day we get off of this beautiful ship. We're so sad. Oh, look at that sad face over there. So we are all packed up and we are just going to go and get some breakfast and then get off the ship. Right now it's just about 8 o'clock in the morning. So this is all the stuff we packed. So this carry-on down here, Ariel's emoji backpack, and then my backpack. All right, so now it's time for breakfast and to get off this ship.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air.
All right, we've had a crazy morning. We were waiting for a shuttle for the rental car, which never came. So then we got on a bus that took us to the Miami airport. We're not even flying out of the Miami airport, but we stored our bags here so that we can get on the public transportation so that we can go hang out downtown because our flight is not until 8 p.m. That guy was so helpful. He gave us all the information. So we're gonna go to Bayside and hang out there and then come back, get our stuff, and then go all the way to Fort Lauderdale. Orange wine. Alright, so we're off the train and now we're looking for the Metro Mover Inner Loop. It is now 12:30. It was taking so long just to do anything.
Please hold on. The train is approaching.
So then which way do we go? Do we go down this way? Alright, maybe it's this way? No idea. I don't know. So we just got off the Inner Loop and there's a Maker's Fair right outside. So we're just going to go check that out. We don't have any plans for the day, so we'll go look. We don't know what it is. So we didn't go to the Maker's Fair because they wanted $17 to get in. No, thank you. It's just like shopping marina booths. Looks like a farmer's market or something. How much is the mango salad?
We're leaving every half hour today until 6:30.
You're just on a boat?
Yeah, we go around this entire white line. You get to see the home of the rich and famous, Miami Beach, South Beach, downtown, Fisher Island, Port of Miami, the museum, and American Airlines. It's an hour and a half long in English and Spanish. There's a bar on board, bathrooms, all that good stuff.
You want to do a boat tour or you just want to walk around?
Don't worry about it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm hoping what I said could make you change your mind. Though it doesn't really matter when my hands are tied. I'm trying to walk across the bridges that I burned. My only way to you is gone. The tide has turned. So give me a light, show me what I need.
So we walked around for a little bit, but we don't want to do any shopping. It's a really nice day, but don't judge us. We have decided to just go to the movies. We have about 4 hours until we need to leave Miami, and we're kind of tired. We just want to like be somewhere where we can just sit and be comfortable, so we're going to go to the movies.
We found the movie theater. Second time I said movie theater. Walking downstairs and I would never move.
Look, it's like a red carpet. Oh wait, where do you get? Where do you get the movie tickets from? What is this? I'm so confused. Where do you... So we are at this movie theater. I think it's a movie theater, or it's just like a fancy building with a lot of escalators. We don't know. We can't figure out how you buy tickets. We're like on the 6th level and have no idea what to do. I think we need to go back down. This is weird. Is this an actual movie theater? Go down? Now we're headed back down. I don't know. We're confused. It's pretty views, but we really just want to go and see a movie. We don't want to look at the views, but it is very pretty. Are we supposed to do it on here?
If you have a credit card, you can purchase your tickets right there on the kiosk.
And then where do we go? Because we've been riding the escalator and
It will tell you on the ticket itself, it will let you know the level and the theater room.
apparently we need to do it on here. How do you get into the theater though? Because we just came up here. This is where the food is? Okay, so we're back on the red carpet, but level theater 3. Do you see movies in there? What do you see the movies at? Took us 15 minutes to figure out how to get to the movie. All right, popcorn. Oh, hello.
Vegas?
Just one is fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or the one we went to in Florida.
All right, movie's over. It was great.
Hello.
We are done with the movies. We got some snacks. It's basically Cheez-Its. I don't know if you can see that. And now we are headed back to the Miami airport to get our luggage. Look at all those taxis. There's so many taxis. Can you see all these taxis? That's crazy.